We're out here in Yuma, Arizona today, blessed with an opportunity by the skillful and experienced staff at the Yuma Ag Extension. Some of you in my LinkedIn network may already be acquainted with growing cantaloupe. They have been so kind and helpful to let us test and benchmark the commercial extruded heavy wall drip line that operates at extremely low drip flow rates, subsurface, connected to a filled tank, 275 gallon IBC tote. Check it out. This water from the Colorado River isn't for drinking. They try and remove the heavy sediment before it moves through the canals and irrigation systems, but the water can still carry salts, fine particles, organic matter, and biological activity. For a normal irrigation system, that matters. For an ultra-low flow drip system, it matters even more. A periodic dose of hydrogen peroxide seemed to do a good job at preventing algae growth inside the tank. That first fill that we did was straight brackish water. This tank, when full, should last these 50 drippers about 6 to 8 weeks. We trenched the row by hand, laid the drip line out, purged the air from the system, and then buried it. With the water stored in the tank for that long, covering it seemed like a good idea to reduce the chance of algae growth. After that, I began preparing the soil tension sensor. That's called a tensiometer. Measures how hard your plants have to suck in order to extract water from your soil. This drip line is the Dropper series by Nano Flow Irrigation and is designed to release water more slowly as the pressure decreases. That's why the top half of this tank depletes faster than the bottom half. At these very low flow rates, we need to understand how water behaves inside the line, how the emitters perform, how the soil accepts the water, and if the wetted pattern's enough to keep the plant's roots moist and well aerated continuously. The science is grounded in truth. Low tension soil reduces plant stress. At different stages of development, this is shown to improve plants' response to supplemental irrigation, like reducing unusable foliage, maintaining or increasing fruit quality and yield. So here we are under real field conditions, with real agricultural water in one of the most demanding irrigation regions in the country. Yuma is also one of the most important food production regions because during the winter season, this region produces a major share of the leafy greens consumed in the United States. That makes water quality, food safety, soil moisture, and irrigation reliability serious topics that should be considered today. By May 15th, we had cantaloupe fruit setting just 2 weeks from the start of irrigation after germination. Things are looking pretty good, but counting your eggs before they hatch is only okay if you understand they still aren't chickens yet. See how many fruit set in that third week of irrigating using 1% flow rates? Well, we're keeping an eye out for white fly and disease like powdery mildew. The weather's been interesting. States are fighting over the water, so we're figuring out how to do more with less.